Hey, Bola here. Let's make this adorable evil eye adjustable bracelet. Let's gather up our supplies. Here's what you'll need. 32 inches of 1mm cording, beads and spacers of your liking, ruler or tape measure, scissors, and a lighter. Go ahead and gather up your goodies. Then with our cording, we are going to measure one piece to be 20 inches long. Cut that piece, and then the last piece should be 12 inches. Now that you have your cording cut into two pieces, take your longer 20-inch piece and start threading on your beads. You can do this whatever style pattern you want to do, and if by chance you are having a problem with the cording not going smoothly through the hole of the bead, and you know that the bead is appropriate for the cord, you can take your handy dandy lighter, just burn the tip of that so it makes it a little bit more of a point, and then you can push that on through to your beads. So you're going to do this through the length of the cording till you get to the size of the bracelet you want it to be. In this particular instance, I am making my bracelet 7 inches long, which means I will have 7 inches of beads on my cord when I am done. that you've checked the length and you're happy with how many beads you have on your cord, go ahead and tie a knot on both ends to keep those beads into place. Next, we are going to work on making the adjustable knotted. Now that you've measured it out and you have the appropriate amount of beads and the length that you're looking for, go ahead and make a knot on either end or on both ends of your cord to secure your beads in place. And after you've done that, we can begin working on the adjustable sliding knot for the close. Lay both ends of the cord across each other, just as if you would if you were going to tie it into a knot. Then you're going to take that shorter 12-inch piece and you're going to first do a regular overhand knot onto the piece, or a square knot, and you're going to secure that in. At this point, it doesn't really matter. Just try to get the knot into the center of the shorter cord so you have an equal amount of cord on both sides to work with. Then with the right hand cord, you're going to go under both of the strings. With the left hand cord, you're going to go through the little loop that you just created. So you're going to go under and then over under, if that makes sense. Just make sure that your cording is straight. This one kept wanting to twist on me, so you see me untwisting it, and then you can see that it makes this knot. For the next step, you're going to go under with the left hand thread or cord. Go under both of those strings. Rest the tail on top of the right hand cord. Bring the right hand cord into the loop and then pull. And you're going to keep doing that process, right, left, right, left, right, left, until you have the length that you are looking for. Bringing the left under and over, bringing the right under and over that left, pulling the left through the hole, and pulling tight. Once you're done with that, you have the length that you are wanting. You can go ahead and cut and seal both of those two cords that you're using to make your slider, and then your bracelet will be almost complete. So how'd you do? I hope you were able to understand my gibberish. Sometimes I kind of blah, 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 but that's okay. So I got the video. Hopefully you were able to follow along. So once you have your cords all squared away, you have the ends cut off and melted, then we can just add a little bead at the end, and this is just going to be a helper bead to help you open and close the bracelet. So that little slider, you can grab onto one of the little beads here and help it to pull and close. You're going to make a knot before the bead on your thread or on your cord, and then you're going to make a knot after your cord. Now be sure to leave enough cording so that you have enough room to adjust the bracelet larger than you need to, so you can slip it on easily. So go ahead, and then once you're done with this, y'all, you are done with your bracelet. Our Evil Eye sliding adjustable bracelet is now done, and she is beautiful. Here I am showing you how to use those beads to pull the adjustable slider closed to make it tighter. You also use those adjustable sliders to pull open, to take it off or to make it looser. And there you have it, folks. It is so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, hit that thumbs up button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos become available. Love you, bye!